Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is harmony. Harmonize mind, body, and spirit. Once you feel better, you think better, therefore your life shall become better. How do we harmonize? How do we balance it all out? For your mind, we exercise our mind by reading the things that are actually leading us to the results that we want. Do the research. Exercise your mind by reading, by actually studying. How do we exercise our bodies? We take our walk, we do our sit-ups, we do what we can physically to the extent that we can, so we make sure we keep the blood flowing. And then we exercise our spirit by having a meditation, a prayer, going on to the element life. Therefore, you exercise mind, body, and spirit. That is the balance, and you will feel like a healed, energized, powerful being. I open myself to divine being within me. I am the image of God. You are the image of God. Let me say that. You're the image of the Almighty, the Creator. Therefore, you cannot lose. The next step is going to be breakthrough. But right now, you can't take the old personality to the new plan, to the new promised land, to your manifestations. You have grown to be a bigger person, a stronger person. You outgrown certain things, so you can fit into a bigger role in your life. Thus, I have the power to bring light into my life. I turn darkness in me into something beautiful. And in the absence of anger, resentment, and doubt, I find harmony. In the absence of these things, he leaves an open spot for love, prosperity, light, energy, positive vibes. And that being the rules of the universe, positive energy brings manifestations and blessings. Negative energy brings lessons, tests, where it's teaching us why we need to let go of these things and empty out our bodies to be vacant of these negative energies to be replaced by positives. Therefore, life becomes about living, not about surviving. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.